So why pay more? Why pay more for a cooker that you can get at the most affordable prices? Hajasave, we got you. You know, tumeingia soko tukakusakia a cooker all the way from England. I have two companies from England zenye ziko na most affordable cookers I've come across with the specifications that we will be seeing today. These cookers are way on another level. So go with me in this journey as we speculate it bit by bit to know what's up with these cookers. So number one, we have two companies. Number one is Eurochef, and then we have Eurochef. From the word itself, they are all the way from England. So usikuwe na worry about the quality of these cookers. It is very safe. Trust me, I have not received any complaints so far, and I'm not waiting for one. Secondly, hizi cookers zinakuja in amazing colors. You can see we have a brown color, we have a black color, we have a gray color, awesome colors. So preference color yako, it is well captured in here. So just to get into specifics, let's see at the similarities, something that cuts across all the cookers, because there are three cookers. Number one, ni size. The size of these three cookers is the same, 50 by 55. And you can also adjust the height. The height is adjustable. Unaweza adjust height, uweke nini pale, uweke stands pale chini. So one of the similarities that cut across all the cookers is number one, ni size. So they are all 50 by 55 by size. They are all the same size. And you can extend the height by adding some stands. Inakuja na stands za kuhook pale chini. As you can see, tuko na 4 stands in here. So these are the stands that you can use kuhook pale chini. So the height is adjustable depending with the height that you want. Number two, they all have jet valve. What is a jet valve? As you can see in here, cookers hapo awali hapa zilikuwa zinakuja na a pipe. Like you could see the pipe, like it was just an hollow pipe going down. That's where the gas comes out to be burned, to be ignited. So ilikuwa ina spend a lot of gas. If you remember well, cookers used to spend more on gas. Actually, watu walikuwa wanakopa cookers juu ina spend more on gas. Guess what? I got you, because hii inakuja na kitu inaitwa jet valve. So the word jet comes from the speed. Actually, it's called a rapid jet valve. So it's a jet valve because ina push hiyo gas haraka with speed. And then it's called a valve because, as you can see, its size. You can see the size itself is the size of a valve. So hii jet valve, number one, it will minimize the usage of your gas. So if you're used to refueling gas once or twice in 2 months or 1 month, now you could go even for 3 months. Now you're asking yourself, na sasa kama gas ni kidogo, sindapika pole pole. Number two, jet inamaanisha inatoka haraka. That means that cooking gas ile vile inatoka haraka, hiyo gas inamaanisha inawaka vizuri na inamaanisha upishi it's actually quite faster. The flame, it's actually if you go back to some physics, you get that actually the flame will be more blue. And we know about blue flame. Blue flame is the hottest flame. It makes your cooking fast. So it is twice the advantage, it's a double advantage to have a jet valve. And guess what? These three cookers all have jet valves. That's something that it also cuts across. So as you can see, now we can go to specifics of each cooker. The other thing that we know about this cooker is, hii cooker hapa inaitwa tempered glass. This is a tempered glass. So hii tempered glass, it's unbreakable. It's quite unbreakable. Actually, it will serve you well. Now, they all have tempered glass. Na hii tempered glass haivunjiki haraka. It's actually quite good results. So that's a good thing about these two cookers. Now, the brown one I have here, this one is an all gas. All gas inamaanisha hapa juu it has 4 burners, and these whole burners use gas. When you look in here, you have an oven that is also gas. This oven also uses gas. So hii oven ikitumia gas, that means that it is all gas. Hivyo ndio inamaanisha with all gas. The oven is also gas, na pia pale juu we have 4 burners. It's actually quite easy to use. These are the control knobs. The control knobs are very easy to use. As you see hapa juu kuna drawings. Number 1, hii ndio kiberiti. This is ignition. This is ignition part. Then we have this knob here, right here. This knob right here, it's marked black on this top knot. Hii hapa. So hii top ndio hii hapa. And that is the knob that you use controlling this burner. This one. The other one ni hii, the black dot ni hii hapa. That means it is on my right bottom. This one. So this is the knob that you use controlling this burner. The same case as this. This one ni hapa chini. You can see ina indicate up and down. So this one is the one they use while controlling the oven. On this other burner that we have here, iko na left bottom ni hii. So this is the burner that you use when you're controlling the left bottom corner. And then we have this burner, this control knob, that you use at left ya juu kabisa. This one that you use to control this knob. And then we have the timer. This is why you set the time. We shall see how you set the time. So when you're using the oven, ukitumia oven yako, you'll first you set your gas either from low all the way to high. So once you have set it high, then you'll set the timer. So how long would you like to bake whatever you're doing? So you come here, set your timer. We have 0 all the way to 60 seconds. So you can hear a ticking sound. That's the timer counting. So once your timer is off, it will go on automatically, and then they'll have a bring to notify you that whatever you are cooking down here or you're baking, it's ready. So it's quite spacious. And it's Eurochef. So that's much about this. On our second cooker, it's Eurochef. So this is a 3+1 electric cooker. This one inatumia steamer. That's what we mean by 3 burners of gas and one with electricity. So they use gases. The 3 use gases, and this one here is electricity. So that's how we mean by 3+1. So still kucontrol hii nayo play it's quite easy. Si ngumu ati tumeongeza electric, no it is not. So as you can see, still iko na markings. So this instead now it's white, the white painted one. So this knob controls the plate, the hot plate. So you just turn it on all the way to high, from low all the way to high. Then we have a gas. This one for gas. Now for gas ni hii. This one bottom right. We have bottom left, this one. Then we have this one up there. Hii nayo ni bottom, pia hii ni gas. So these are the knobs that you control those two. To control down here now, remember this one is for electricity. Hii unatumia electricity, hii ni steamer. So there is this knob here with 2 ovens. So there is ya juu na ya chini. So when you want to use the ya juu peke yake, you will set it there. Kama unataka kutumia ya chini peke yake, utaiset hapa chini. Na kama unataka kutumia zote mbili hapa juu, unaiset hapo. So with this, you get to set you get to either bake up ama chini. So that's what you do with this. After you've set yenye utatumia, then you set the degrees, the timer, unatumia timer. So still this timer is the same, 60 seconds all around. You set your timer. There's a ticking sound, as you can hear. Once it's done, you'll get a bell ring to alert you that whatever you are baking or cooking is ready. So this one is electric. It comes with a mesh. With this mesh you can unaweza choma. Watu wa choma pale uko sawa. If you are baking, you can use this baking plate. Pia iko sawa while you are baking. This is a good one, a very affordable one. Last but not least, tuko na Eurochef. Remember, this is a Eurochef. So this is a Eurochef. With Eurochef, it's a 3+1. So equal 3 plus 1, we have a plate and 3 gases. So hii plate inatumia steamer, these 3 zinatumia gas. The knobs are also quite easy to use, ziko na drawings pale juu. So hii ina serve hii dotted one, so it ina serve ile ya juu on your right. Bottom right unatumia hii. Ile top left unatumia this one, it is dotted here, na bottom left unatumia hii. So then we have 3 things here. Uta notice we have had there is a new feature that we have here. So what is this the feature for? Hii hapa ndani you will control this oven by these 2. Again it is a steamer, so you can either use ya juu, ya chini, ama both too. You can use those 2. Then you set the time. So once you set the time, again after there is a ticking sound. After you're ready, you'll get a bell ring to alert you. Now we have another knob here. This is called a rotisserie. Rotisserie ni hii kitu hapa hii chuma hii. Hii tumeiona pale kwa kuku zikizunguka zunguka. Unashanganga mbona kuku zinazungukanga? Hii ndio kitu zungusha kuku. Inaitwa rotisserie. So this was makes hizo kuku kuzunguka. So hii ndio inazungushanga kuku. So what you're saying is this is the cooker that has the rotisserie. And I also need to add that this cooker also iko na light kwa oven. So you'll understand that after umeset the oven na umeongeza light, umeset time, you'll notice some light. So this one has light despite the Eurochef one haina light. This one has the light. Those are the 2 differences between a Eurochef 3+1 and a Eurochef 3+1. Eurochef iko na rotisserie na iko na light. Hii ingine haina rotisserie na haina light, but all the other things they are all in common. Yes. If you have any question up to there, ama clarification, you need clarification, please on our comment section. Kindly share ndio tupate kukujibu ama tupate kuelezea further. So now the last but not least, let's look at the prices. So this one here, it goes for 17,500 and all gas. Imagine, I just save home appliances, 17,500, you secure yourself and all gas. With 22,000, you secure yourself in Eurochef, and with 23,000, you secure yourself in Eurochef. Guess what? Delivery, we do it countrywide, and wherever you are, we can deliver it. Usilipe kuka yako before uione. Usilipe kuka yako ikiwa kwa shop unless unalipia mdogo mdogo. Pay for your cooker once it gets home. Utanilipia delivery fee pekee. Once ina get home, utanilipia kuka yako. Usilipe kuka before. Nilipia ukiona kwa nyumba. So if you like us, if you like it, please kindly subscribe and like. Yes, apale kwa comment section tubonge, tuulize maswali. Niambie kitu nimeacha pia. I appreciate so much. See you in the next video.